It's just incredibly, you have to be careful because if it's a hill where they're still bringing leaves in, it's not ready. It's like bat guano. It's too fertile. It'll burn. So you've got to look for where they're throwing it out. And so the queen takes a piece of the fungus and gives it to her princesses in training, and they go off and make their mound. And then if you want to kill them, you can mix mounds. This is incredibly destructive. They are to young trees. And we use a product, if absolutely necessary, called Ometox. Non-phytotoxic, has grapefruit seed
Not the
extract.
Mirex. There is one called
Mirex is outlawed. But the Ometox kills the fungus with the grapefruit seed extract instead of killing the animal. So if it washes off and goes into a river, it's not going to kill anything in the river. But these will decimate a young tree planting project. And so if we get on and we do
the ants?
Yes. On the initial walkabout, all the dead farms have Zampopas. So we have to bring in, and we pay for the Ometox. Last year's budget, we didn't have to buy that much. But
you kill nature to build nature.
We're not killing nature. We're killing the fungus.
Restoring balance.
Thank you. That we're trying to restore some balance. So once the farm gets healthier again, these guys kind of settle down.